Want to become a certified Microsoft Azure Administrator and master the art of managing cloud infrastructure? Whether you are an IT professional, system administrator, or cloud enthusiast, this course is your launchpad to success. I am Amit. I have over 50 cloud certifications across Microsoft, AWS, Oracle, and Google. I have designed this course to be the most hands-on, exam-focused experience built for real-world Azure administration and certification mastery. From identity and governance to networking and monitoring, you will gain these skills to confidently administer Azure environments, all aligned with best practices for scalability, security, and resilience. Let's turn your Azure administration skills into certification and your certification into career-defining momentum. I'll see you in the course.